It says the dot plot shows how much money students raise for their classroom. How many students raised $40 or more for their classroom? Boys and girls, here is the amount of money the students raised, and each dot represents one student. So let's count how many students raised each amount of money. So one student, there's one dot, raised $0. How many students raised $10? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. How many students raised $20? 1, 2. How many students raised $30? 1. How many students raised $40? 1, 2. How many students raised $50? 1, 2, 3. How many students raised $60? 1. Now let's see, what is our question asking us? Our question asks us, how many students, this is supposed to say raised $40 or more for their classroom. So let's go back up here to our dot plot and see. It says $40 or more. So more than $40 going this way. Everything going this way. So 40, 50, and 60. How many students raised $40 or more? So we're going to add up all of these dots. So how many students raised $40? We got 2. And then we're going to add the amount of students that raised $50 because it's more than 40. We had 3 students that raised $50. It says and more. So we're also going to add how many students raised $60. And 1 student who raised $60. And then we're going to add them all together. So boys and girls, what is 2 plus 3 plus 1? What is the sum? Well, let's add them together. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many students raised $40 or more into the classroom? 6.